If your Windows 10 is having a trouble in internet connection, all you have to do is click start, click settings. Okay, let's go back. Okay, click start, click settings, click network and internet, click show available networks. No, not that. I mean, click Wi-Fi and click manage known network. And then if this is what if this is the connection that is not functioning well, click that and click forget. Once you click the forget, you may type the password again here, and then you can connect right away. Okay, bye.